34 miles down the Dalton Highway we approach the Hickory-1 pad, where 88 Energy is about to flow test the upper SFS and SMDB zones. Flowing oil to surface is set to be an important milestone for 88 Energy and its investors. We are currently walking from the main camp offices and accommodation to the rig. You can see all the service providers are set up and ready to go. We start our tour in the rig's locker room. From there we move through the tool shop and onto a walkway off of which sits the pump room. Now we go up into the pit room. As we walk over the mud pits, you can see steam and fluid moving through the shakers and pits. This mud system is crucial in managing the transport of cuttings from the bit to the surface at the same time as managing wellbore stability. This room houses the rig carrier equipment. Next, we are on our way up to the rig floor. This is the rig floor. This is where all the action happens and is one of the most hazardous places of any well site. It's always important to remember that hazards on the rig floor can occur from any direction, which is why safety processes and PPE are vital. This is where the driller operates from. He has a good view of controls, monitors and the rig floor. And this is the doghouse where the rig personnel will check their systems and gauges as well as perform safety meetings. We're now leaving the rig floor. From up here you get a good perspective of the rest of the camp and services. These are the sand tanks that hold all of the proppant which we pumped into the formation to assist in hydrocarbon production. After the flow back has commenced, hydrocarbons should come down this line and into the first vertical separator, which will help remove any of the solids coming up the well. They are wrapped in plastic and connected to a heater to avoid freezing up. This is the main fluid separator where the hydrocarbons will pass through. This is where our oil rates will be recorded and samples collected for subsequent lab analysis. The remaining fluid will flow out of the separator and into these tanks. Any associated gases at the Hickory-1 well will travel up this stack to be flared. Now we are walking from the rig into the main accommodation block and offices. This is one of the nicer rooms on site, and instead of a second bed, it has a desk. This is the main office where the tool pusher can communicate with company man and engineers. This is a break room where you can come get some coffee and snacks. And now we are entering the main kitchen, next to which sits the dining hall where the crew can enjoy a hot meal. And that concludes our tour of the Hickory-1 well pad. We hope you enjoyed the video and we look forward to providing updates and results in the coming weeks.